Welcome back to Lana Decor. Do you ever miss the warm, comforting embrace of your grandmother's house? Today, we are bringing that beautiful nostalgia right into your living room. We are exploring stunning, vintage-inspired crochet decor ideas that will instantly add timeless charm, texture, and a cozy aesthetic to any modern space you have. There is something incredibly comforting about a classic granny square blanket. Draping this colorful, textured piece over a neutral armchair instantly transforms the room. It brings a vibrant, nostalgic energy that invites you to curl up with a good book and relax in timeless, cozy warmth all afternoon. Transform simple glass jars into magical lanterns with delicate crochet covers. When you place a flickering tea light inside, the intricate lace patterns cast stunning, dancing shadows across your walls. These are absolutely perfect for creating a romantic, soothing atmosphere on your rustic evening mantelpiece or dining table. Give an old, forgotten lamp a beautiful second life by adding a custom, tight-fitting crochet cover. The intricate stitches and charming scalloped edges soften the glow of the bulb, instantly filling your bedroom with a warm, nostalgic ambience that feels both elegant and deeply comforting to experience. Showcase your trailing indoor plants using tightly crocheted hanging baskets. Mixing earthy jute with colored cotton yarn creates a stunning vintage aesthetic. Suspended by the window, they add glorious texture and a beautiful bohemian spirit to your living space, perfectly framing the natural greenery with handmade love. Nothing says vintage elegance quite like a large, starched white doily resting on a polished wooden dining table. When paired with a crystal vase full of fresh hydrangeas, this intricate lace foundation creates a breathtaking centerpiece that honors traditional artistry while remaining beautifully relevant in modern homes. Breathe new life into plain cotton or velvet throw pillows by sewing on three-dimensional crocheted flowers. These beautiful roses and daisies add an unexpected pop of texture and whimsical charm to your sofa, creating a cozy, inviting focal point that celebrates the joy of handmade floral artistry. Create a striking statement piece by suspending intricate crochet lace panels from a weathered piece of natural driftwood. This unique blend of bohemian styling and vintage craftsmanship brings incredible texture to blank walls, serving as a captivating tapestry that beautifully marries organic elements with delicate textile art. Frame your kitchen view with a handcrafted crochet curtain valance. The delicate filet patterns gently filter the sunlight, casting beautiful, dappled shadows across your countertops. This nostalgic addition brings a quiet, romantic atmosphere to the heart of your home, making everyday chores feel wonderfully peaceful and inspiring. Hide unappealing cardboard packaging under a charming, ruffled crochet slipcover. This pastel blue yarn creation is a delightful throwback to Grandma's house, adding instant shabby chic appeal to your nightstand. It is a small, sweet detail that turns a mundane household item into a beautiful decorative accent. Transform an ordinary dining room into a Victorian-inspired banquet with handcrafted filet crochet chair slipcovers. Draped elegantly over dark wooden backs, these intricate white cotton patterns provide a stunning visual contrast. They add a layer of formal grace and historical beauty to your everyday family dining experiences. Hold back heavy linen curtains with these uniquely beautiful crocheted rose tiebacks. The layered, dimensional flowers bring a soft, romantic touch to your window framing. This functional piece of decor seamlessly blends floral beauty with practical design, allowing natural light to enter while showcasing your handmade artistry. String together a collection of mismatched colorful crochet triangles and floral motifs to create a joyful, nostalgic garland. Draped gracefully across a fireplace mantle or bookshelf, this festive decoration instantly brightens the space, bringing a playful, handmade spirit that celebrates the simple beauties of vintage home styling. Stretch a beautiful, handmade filet crochet runner across your reclaimed wood dining table to create a breathtaking focal point. The intricate geometric patterns in off-white cotton thread evoke a sense of tradition and slow living, providing the perfect textured foundation for vintage vases and seasonal floral centerpiece arrangements. Turn practical kitchen items into cheerful wall art by hanging a collection of bright, vintage-style crocheted potholders. Featuring playful sunburst patterns and retro hues, this charming display adds a wonderful splash of personality to your cooking space. It is an effortless way to celebrate classic domestic crafts. Keep your nightstand completely protected with a charming, miniature fringed crochet mug rug. This tiny mat is perfectly sized to hold your morning teacup or evening water glass. It is a small, thoughtful detail that brings extra texture and an undeniable sense of cozy comfort to your bedside. That brings us to the end of our cozy journey today. I hope these vintage crochet ideas inspired you to add a touch of timeless warmth and nostalgic texture to your own spaces. Which of these classic designs was your favorite? Let me know down in the comments. If you love this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Lana Decor, and I will see you next time.